In yesterday's video, we learned how Shimon Sakaguchi discovered the powerful T regulatory cells, the guardians that keep our immune system in balance, but the story doesn't end there. Around the same time, Mary Bronco and Fred Ramsell, working at a United States biotech company called Celtic Cyroscience, noticed something unusual. They were studying a special group of lab mice called scurfy mice. These mice developed severe autoimmune diseases and died just weeks after birth. Even more surprisingly, all of them were male mice. So both scientists began digging deeper. They analyzed the DNA of these mice and found a mutation on the X chromosome in a gene they named FOXP3. That single discovery changed everything because this tiny mutation was enough to completely collapse the immune system. Later, researchers found the same pattern in humans. Baby boys suffering from a rare autoimmune disease called IPEX syndrome also had mutations in the FOXP3 gene on their X chromosome. This finding revealed that FOXP3 acts like a master regulatory switch of the immune system. It controls the development, function, and stability of T regulatory cells or Tregs, those CD4 plus T cells that prevent our body from attacking its own tissues. So, if FOXP3 stops working, CD4 plus T cells fail to develop or function properly, and without CD4 plus T cells, the immune system turns against itself, leading to autoimmune diseases. Today, scientists are working to engineer or enhance T regulatory cells in the body to control autoimmune disorders, make organ transplants safer, and even design innovative cancer therapies that fine-tune the immune response. But scientific progress takes time. Even after a discovery in the lab, it can take years before it becomes a real medical treatment. What makes this story even more inspiring is that this breakthrough came not from government funding, but from a private company, Celtic Cyroscience, a perfect example of how private research can also drive life-saving scientific innovation. So this is how the discovery of the FOXP3 gene and its link to T regulatory cell regulation transformed our understanding of immune tolerance, and why this groundbreaking work is now honored with the 2025 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine.